Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to this video. Today we're creating this gorgeous blouse, so let's begin. For this project I'll be using a 60-inch wide jersey fabric. Here I've folded the fabric in half by width and then half again by length. This will give you 4 layers of fabric. With the fabric on the fold, measure and cut out a rectangle measuring 28 by 15 inches long. Then carefully cut this out. Now take the remaining fabric and fold it in half. Measure a rectangle 8.5 by 6.5 inches. Once you're happy, carefully cut this out. Cut open the folded edge. You now have 2 sleeve patterns. Now to prepare the main bodice, measure 4 inches for the neckline and measure down 1 inch for the depth of the neckline and join the 2 points together. Next, measure down 2 inches for the shoulder slope. Now join the neckline and this point together. Then carefully cut these out. Now open the top layer of the bodice. Measure down 2.5 inches to mark the front neck measurement. Join this point to the shoulder point by drawing a curve. Now carefully cut this out. Cut just the 2 top layers only. Open this up to reveal the front and the back bodice pieces. Pin at the shoulders, right sides together. We're now going to reduce the length of the front bodice piece, but this process is optional. Measure down 24 inches from the shoulder slope. Carefully mark this. Next, fold and cut this piece out. Again, this part is optional because I wanted a high-low effect on this top, but you can completely miss this part out. You now have your main bodice piece for the blouse and the sleeves ready. Here I decided to reduce the length of the back pattern by about 1 inch as well. For the neckband, on the fold, cut out a strip measuring 18 by 3 inches long. Now fold the strip in half. Mark 1 inch into the folded edge Now from the bottom corner, cut this out. This will create a sort of a slope effect. You now have all your pattern pieces ready for stitching. Begin by stitching the shoulders using a zigzag stitch. I'll be using a zigzag stitch for the duration of the tutorial. Once you've stitched the shoulders, open the blouse and place the sleeves right sides together. Find the midpoint of the sleeve and position it at the shoulder point. Carefully pin this into position. Once you're happy, stitch this into position. Repeat for the other side. And this is how your blouse should now look like. Now turn the blouse right sides together, pin and stitch the sides. When stitching the sides, leave approximately 2 inches at the bottom unstitched, just like so. Repeat for both sides. And this is how your blouse should now look. For the neckband, place the strip right sides together and pin. Then carefully stitch the two together. Once you're done, turn the strip inside out. Cut off any excess material. Place the neckband from the center back of the blouse, right sides together. Carefully pin this into position. Then carefully pin the entire band around the neckline. This process was quite tricky, so do take your time. This is how it should look once you've pinned it all together. Stitch the neckband into position, and this is how it should look. Just for reference, I decided not to hem my blouse because the fabric I use does not fray, but you can obviously choose to hem yours. And your blouse should now be complete. Here's the final look. I liked how the blouse turned out. You can wear it tucked in or with a belt, as I did here. I also made these matching trousers. If you're interested, I have a tutorial on that. As always, please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.